Okay, everybody, I was just recording some My Little Pony episodes, and during the first episode, look what happened.
Police?
Yep, she came up.
Tiara and Silver Spoon started
Yes.
giving us a hard time.
This actually happened while I was recording.
So she decided to bully a bully instead. And now we've turned into bullies too. What do we do?
Discovery Family will be right back.
Hope you left room for dessert.
Delicious.
Because Wednesday nights on Discovery Family is the sweetest place to be.
Well, Carlos,
Spectacular creations.
It is good.
it is so good.
This repeats a few more times, by the way.
Make for a food lover's dream.
I can't believe this cake, buddy.
That's how we roll.
And the only limitation is your imagination.
I think you nailed it. Yes.
Cake Boss starts next Wednesday at 11 Eastern, 8 Pacific on Discovery Family.
Dry spray.
That's fun. It's already dry. No wait time. This is great. It's very soft. Can I keep it?
All the care of Dove. Now in a dry antiperspirant spray.
Introducing Storytime Theater. Just download the free app and watch your story magically come to life. You can read a story,
Off to the ball.
watch your favorite video, or see your very own photo slideshow. It's big screen fun for everyone. Storytime Theater. Storytime Theater sets, each sold separately. Batteries not included.
You get used to sweaty odors in your car. You think it smells fine, but your passengers smell this. Eliminate odors you've gone nose blind to for up to 30 days with the Febreze car vent clip. Break out the Febreze and breathe happy.
After Santa's big night, we love to relax with some of our favorite family films on Discovery Family.
Okay, I think that, yeah, I think that's the last one.
Holidays all week starting tonight at 7 on Discovery Family.
Very weird
Let's go.
that that actually happened.
America's favorite cake baking family is coming
Well-
to Discovery Family.
Alright, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.